Yamaha Motor India has launched a new color option on its Yamaha YZF R15 V3.0 motorcycle. The fully fed motorcycle now gets a new metallic red color scheme that retails at Rs 1.52 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new paint scheme of the R15 V3.0 can be booked online with deliveries beginning immediately across India. The new metallic red color scheme features a combination of red and grey colors. All trim pieces such as the headlamp, cowl, fuel tank, fairing and more are finished in a two-tone color scheme. Apart from the new paint scheme, the entry-level Super Sport motorcycle is offered with three other paint options: Racing Blue, Thunder Grey and Dark Knight. The Thunder Grey along with Metallic Red are the new base spec colors of the motorcycle. However, the Racing Blue and the Dark Knight attracts a premium over the base price. There are no cosmetic or mechanical changes made to the motorcycle. The YZF R15 V3.0 is powered by a liquid-cooled single-cylinder 155cc engine. It produces a maximum of 18.3 bhp at 10,000 rpm and a peak torque of 14.1 Nm at 8,500 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip assist clutch. The motorcycle continues to feature the LED headlamps and tail lamps with conventional turn indicators, a fully digital LCD instrument cluster and split-style step-up seats, radial tires, dual horn and side stand activated engine cutoff among others. The motorcycle features a 11-liter fuel tank and tips the scale of 142 kgs. Suspension duties are handled by a conventional telescopic fork at the front and a monoshock setup at the rear. Braking on the motorcycle is done via a 282mm disc at the front and 220mm at the rear. The motorcycle is offered with dual-channel ABS as standard. The YZF R15 V3.0 rivals the KTM RC200 and the Suzuki Gixxer SF in the Indian market. However, the Japanese motorcycle features aggressive looks that have always appealed to younger generation buyers who are on the lookout for an affordable fully fed motorcycle. Aprilia has begun accepting pre-launch booking for the upcoming SXR 125 Maxi scooter in the country. Bookings for the new Aprilia SXR 125 scooter can be made online or any of the brand dealerships across the country for a token amount of Rs 5,000. The scooter was expected to launch much earlier in the country. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak in the country, the launch of the Aprilia SXR 125 was delayed in the Indian market. However, with pre-launch booking starting in the country, the scooter is expected to go on sale within a few weeks. The Aprilia SXR 125 Maxi scooter features the same design and equipment as its elder sibling, the SXR 160. The front of the scooter houses the brand's signature setup of a triple headlamp design with integrated LED DRLs. It also features a massive front apron, large tinted visor, LED tail lights, alloy wheels, a muscular-looking exhaust, adding to the Maxi scooter's muscular looks. Other features include a fully digital instrument cluster, wide seats for the rider and the pillion, glove box on either side of the front apron with a USB charger on one side, large under-seat storage space with illumination and Bluetooth mobile connectivity option among others. The Aprilia SXR 125 is powered by the 125cc single-cylinder fuel-injected engine. It produces a maximum power of 9.3 bhp at 7,600 rpm and a peak torque of 9.2 Nm at 6,250 rpm. Suspension duties on the scooter are handled by the telescopic forks at the front and a twin shock absorber setup at the rear. Braking on the scooter is expected to be via a 220mm disc brake at the front and a 140mm drum brake at the rear, supported by a combined braking system for additional safety. The Aprilia SXR 125 will feature 12-inch alloy wheels shod with tubeless tires. The scooter will feature a 7-liter fuel tank. The Aprilia SXR 125 will be offered in 4 color options: matte black, glossy white, matte blue and glossy red. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville range has been launched in India at a starting price of Rs 7.95 lakh for the Bonneville Street Twin. Prices go all the way up to Rs 11.75 lakh for the Bonneville Speedmaster. The updated Triumph Bonneville range includes the Street Twin Gold Line, T100, T120, T120 Black and Speedmaster. The Triumph Bonneville debuted back in 1959, named after the famed Bonneville Salt Flats, where land speed records are created. The model was discontinued in 1983 for a couple of years and relaunched in 1985. After 3 more years, Triumph discontinued the Bonneville in 1988. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville Street Twin looks very similar to the outgoing model. An eye for detail though will notice that there are quite a few changes in terms of the design and styling. It gets new decals on the fuel tank, new 10-spoke cast alloy wheels, aluminium headlamp brackets, new throttle body covers and a redesigned ribbed seat with more foam. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville Street Twin is powered by the same air and oil-cooled 900cc parallel twin engine. It has a maximum power output of 64.1 bhp at 7500 rpm and a peak torque output of 80 Nm at 3800 rpm and is now Euro 5 BS6 emission norms compliant. A 5-speed gearbox drives the rear wheel. The Triumph Bonneville Street Twin rides on a telescopic fork up front and twin shocks at the rear. Single disc brakes at the both ends of the motorcycle handle braking duties. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville Street Twin is priced at Rs 7.95 lakh ex-showroom, which is Rs 50,000 higher than the older model's price. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville Street Twin Gold Line is a limited edition model based on the Street Twin. It retains the design and mechanicals of the Triumph Street Twin. The difference lies in the styling. It gets a matte black paint job with decals finished in an attractive shade of gold. The pinstripes on the tank are hand finished. The 10-spoke alloy wheels too get a gold-colored outline. Only 1,000 units of the 2021 Triumph Bonneville Street Twin Gold Line will be made worldwide. It is priced at Rs 8,25,000 ex-showroom. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville T100 retains the design language of the outgoing model but gets a few updates in the styling department. The motorcycle gets few chrome parts when compared to the older version. The cam covers, engine cases, sprocket guard, exhaust system are all now black in color. The updates to the T100 are more than just skin dip. It gets a redesigned instrument cluster and an updated engine as well. The 2021 Triumph Bonneville T100 is powered by the same air and oil-cooled 900cc high-torque engine as the outgoing model. The Bonneville family makes up most of the sales for Triumph. Of the model's launch, the Street Twin will be the best seller again. Triumph, however, has not launched the Thruxton and Bobber. This could be due to negligible sales numbers. Bookings are now open at all Triumph dealerships across the country. Deliveries are expected to begin soon.